What's up? This your man Jay Work, and I want to do a quick video on how to do subtitles and the loading bar all in one-stop shop.
What in the world?
It's this website called Capwing, right? Capwing, you got to have a login, but it's free. So this is a initial page right here. So I'm gonna come in here, click that. I'm gonna click upload. I'm gonna find the video that I just shot. I'm gonna upload this video right here. Boom. It's gonna upload. It's gonna take a minute to go through. We'll play it.
Yo, it's your man Jay Working. Look, I'm gonna show you how to do this loading bar and do the subtitle.
All right, so I'm gonna click the loading bar right here. So right here you go to elements. Right there, just add progress bar. Boom. You can change the color of it. I'm gonna make it white, and I'm gonna make it show the background through it. So you can change the different colors. You can make it bigger, smaller, all of that stuff. But watch.
All one stop, one shop. You gonna get.
Boom, that's beautiful. Then you go to subtitles. You want to add those subtitles. You click auto generate. Click auto generate again. And you could tweak it too, whatever. So it take a minute to go through, but it's all love. It's all love, bruh. So you can see.
Yo, it's your man Jay Working.
So then I had to tweak this up, right? Okay, so then, boom. Once you get that in, you can move it around. So I could come down here. I could change the font if I want to. I could take this wrap off. I could change the color behind it, right? I could do outline. I could do no text. I can make it bold. And I can make it smaller too. And I can move it up. It's kind of touching my bar. And I got this black on, so I'm gonna wrap it with a dark color. Boom. And then boom, that's it, right? So I'll play that back.
You wanna see how I did?
Oh, it's missing something.
Stop one shop, you're gonna get more engagement on your video. Trust me. Go to my YouTube channel right now if you wanna see how I did.
Boom. Then once you get that all situated, you hit done. And then you hit export that video. Boom, it's gonna take a minute for it to go through. And to save all your videos too, and you could download them. That's it. That's the Capwing. That's how you add subtitles and a loading bar real quick without getting into Premiere and having to do an animation and all of that stuff and typing into the transcripts. This is the best, easiest way to do that. Like I said, you're gonna get more engagement with your videos too, because a lot of people don't got time to listen to it. They can read it real quick. They can see it load. You got the Gary Vee style, and that's how you do that, man. I appreciate you. You got questions, hit me up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. You know, this is all about ideas. This is all about concepts. This is all about design and photography, all of that stuff. It's all about looking out for each other. Look at that.
And do the subtitles all one stop, one shop. You're gonna get more engagement on your video. Trust me. Go to my YouTube channel right now if you want to see how I did. Yep.
Then you just hit that download button and then boom. Yep. I appreciate you, babies. I'm out. Peace.